Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to begin with the shapes and the patterns, children. Okay, now please you pause this video and please sit with your maths book, page number 129. Children, when I say shapes and patterns, the shapes and the patterns you have seen right from the childhood. The dress which you are wearing, the designs which you have on the dress, today you try to find out, children. There are so many shapes and the patterns on it. Then the things which are in your house, the shape of the window, the shape of the door, then if there's a curtain, you must see the patterns on the curtains, children. This is what we are going to study. It's a very easy chapter, children. First, we'll begin with the basic shapes, children. This we have done since nursery class. The basic shapes are the shapes where you can draw it on the plain figure, on the sheet also. They are called basic shapes. This is a circle. This is triangle. Circle, the ones you start from here and you end up this way. Then the triangle, you begin with this one side, one more and one more. The three sides are the triangle, children. Yes, this is a square. The square shape, you must be having the handkerchief of the square shape, children. Right? And this comes a rectangle, that is your shoe box. Okay? Wherein when you go and buy some new shoes in the box which you bring it at your home, that the upper portion, that is a rectangle shape. Your ruler, your scale, children, that is also a rectangle shape. Hai na? So the four main basic shapes are the circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Okay? Now we come to the square. What is square now? Let us learn in detail. It has four sides. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the four sides are equal. Yes, if this is 2 centimeter, this will be 2, this will be 2, this will be 2. If this is 4, this is 4, this is... All the sides are equal in square. Please remember. And yes, it has four corners. This is one corner, this is another corner where the two lines meet. You say, I have drawn one more, ye ek corner ho gaya beta. One more if I draw, this is another corner. If I join here, it becomes one more corner, one more corner. Take an example of the wall at your home. Aapka jo wall where the two wall meets, the two sides at wall where meet, that is a corner. So you must be having the four corners also. Right, children? Now this is called the rectangle. This is a rectangle. Rectangle may all the four sides are not equal, beta. The two opposite sides, ye or ye. This side is opposite to this. So these two sides are equal. And these two sides are equal. Again it has four sides, beta. Its opposite sides are equal. This and this, this and this. And it has four corners. This is one corner, another corner. So total four corners are there. Okay. Next now. Let us learn detail about the triangle. Why tri means three? ट्राई का मतलब है थ्री. आपने बचपन में ट्राई साइकिल चलाया होगा ना, तीन चक्के वाला. व्हेन आई से बाइसिकल, बाई मीन्स टू चक्के वाला, टू व्हील्स वाला. सो ट्राई मीन्स थ्री, दैट इज अ थ्री साइड, 1, 2 and 3. इट हैज़ थ्री साइड्स एंड थ्री कॉर्नर बेटा, 1, 2 and 3. इट हैज़ अ थ्री कॉर्नर्स. ये जो जॉइंट है. ओके, नाउ कम्स द सर्कल बेटा. How? This is so simple and easy. It has only one side. बस यहाँ से शुरू किया and here you come back. Only one side. But when I say this, this and this, it becomes three side. When I do this, it become four side. But square जब आप बनाएंगे, sorry, circle when you make, you start like this, you end up in the same point, only one sided. और यहाँ पे कोई भी corner नहीं. Can you see the corner in the circle? No, there is no corner. It's curved side. It has only one curved side. Okay. Now come to page 129. Take out the page 129. Let us begin the exercise. Use the code to color the same shape of the same size. One is done for you. For the code, shape means here square, circle, rectangle, oval shape and triangle. This is number 5. Oval, children, let me tell you, oval means this like this. Okay, this is the oval shape and this is a circle. Oval means ऐसा इस type का. ठीक है. Okay, what is the code? The square, you will use blue color. Circle, you will use red color. Rectangle, you will use yellow color. Oval shape, green color. And triangle, pink color. Okay, just one shape I'll tell you. Now suppose you know this is a rectangle. This is the first one is a rectangle. So this you will do yellow color. Okay, now blue color is the square. They've already done the blue color. Square they have done. This one more. So this is blue square. Okay, oval circle will do first circle. So where is the circle? Yes, The circle we have to do red color, so this red children, and yes, this is also red, and this is also circle red. Now it says the rectangle we have done yellow color, oval shape, oval green color, this is green color, this is green color. Then comes the triangle pink color children, pink, pink and pink, and this is also rectangle yellow. So please color it according to the code being given over there. Okay children? Yes. नाउ कम्स द सॉलिड शेप, वाओ द 3-dimensional फिगर चिल्ड्रन. यहाँ आपको सॉलिड आप हाथ में पकड़ सकते हैं इनको. सी व्हेन आई से बेसिक शेप जो हमने फर्स्ट स्लाइड में किया था, विच वी हैव डन इन द फर्स्ट स्लाइड, दैट यू कैन नॉट होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड. वो शेप को हाथ में नहीं ले सकते हो. ए सिंपल थिंग हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई. एंड व्हेन सॉलिड शेप की बात होती है बेटे, तो आप इसको हाथ में ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फुटबॉल इज़ अ स्पीयर शेप. ये दिस यू कैन टेक इट इन योर हैंड. इट्स अ 3-dimensional फिगर. तो आप इसको इसलिए इसको सॉलिड बोला जाता है. कोई भी सॉलिड चीज़ को आप हाथ में ले सकते हो. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ बॉल, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ फुटबॉल, यू कैन होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड. दैट इज़ अ सॉलिड शेप. देन आप ये क्यूबॉइड ले लीजिए. द शू बॉक्स जो है बेटा, यू कैन होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड. दैट इज़ अ सॉलिड शेप. दैट इज़ अ क्यूबॉइड. उसको बोलते हैं क्यूबॉइड. एंड द आपको डाइस रहता है ना, आप जब लूडो खेलते हैं, है ना, आप डाइस होगा रेड कलर का या वाइट कलर का, जिसमें नंबर्स लेके रहते हैं डॉट्स में 1 2 3. यू प्ले लूडो, यू प्ले स्नेक एंड लैडर, सांप सीढ़ी. वो हाथ में ले लो. यू कैन होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड. उसको बोलते हैं क्यूब शेप. द डाइस इज योर क्यूब कैसे बनता है, दैट आई विल टेल यू. Then come the cylindrical shape, the cylinder which you have. Bottles are of cylinder shape. Then आपका गैस सिलेंडर जो ममा किचन में है, that is a cylinder. This is a cylindrical shape बेटा. ये गैस सिलेंडर पापा को देखा आपको लेके आते हुए. Maybe your maid servant must be bringing. ममा अंदर में लेके आती है सिलेंडर. That is a cylindrical shape. And the cone, the ice cream cone which you have, or so many times you have hold it in your hand, that is a cone shape. So remember children, this is a cuboid, cone, that is a dice, cuboid your shoe box, cylinder, the cylinders you have at your home, the bottles also, the cone, that is ice cream cone, or the cap which you wear during the birthdays, that is a cone, and the football is of spherical shape. Let us talk in detail. The cubes, examples of cubes I told you. Examples of cube I told you, the dice, sorry children. Examples of the cube, the dice which you play na, which you have the dice which you play the ludo, that is of cube shape. Cube कैसे बनता है? It is made up of all the sides are of square shape equal. Okay, cubes are made up of square. Okay, cubes are made up of square shape. Okay, square से बनता है. When I say cuboid, this is cuboid. सो आपका जो ब्रिक होता है, ईंटा आपने देखा हो जब बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन, और डस्टर, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द डस्टर, योर कंपस बॉक्स और योर शू रैग, योर पेंसिल बॉक्स बेटा, दीज आर ऑल द क्यूबॉइड शेप बेटा. ओके, नाउ कम्स द सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. सिलेंड्रिकल शेप आपने कैंडल देखा होगा, कोका कोला का कैन देखा होगा, और लाइक अ जार लाइक दिस यू मस्ट हैव सीन. दिस इज अ सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. कोन्स, व्हेन आई से दिस इज अ आइसक्रीम कोन. ओके, एंड दिस इज वन मोर कोन विद विच यू प्ले, that when the things are being kept and you throw the ball, है ना, what is that, it's a game, one more game ना, throwing the ball, something like that, and then it falls off, है ना. Okay, and then joker cap, the cap which you wear on the birthdays better, that is also cone shape children. ठीक है. Now the spear, this is a spear, example of spear, that is a football, the shape of the earth. And right children, these are oranges, this is all spherical shape. ठीक है, which shape? Spear, it is called spherical shape. Examples of spears is the football. The best example is the football. Now we'll do this exercise better. Yeah, these are again page 129. ठीक है, these are name of the solid shapes, you know, that is spear, cylinder, cube and cone. Okay, you have to color the object below using the same color as the solid shapes they remind you. The spear is red, so you will this is a spear, so this also you will use a red color. Now you know what is this shape children. This is a cylindrical shape. Cylinder is of green color, so same color you will use here. Okay, that is a little light green color. Okay, then comes the cube, little dark color, dark green color, you will use the green color beta. Okay, and then this is also sphere. Tomato, again red color sphere shape they have given, and the last is a cone, that is a blue color you will do. ठीक है, you will enjoy doing that. Once again I'm reminding, this is a sphere, this is cylinder, this is the cube children, जो 10 बॉक्स आता है। और देखो उसके जो साइज ऊपर का जो दिखा आपने, ये इस क्यूब जो है ना वो स्क्वायर साइज से बनता है बेटा, और क्यूबॉइड जो है वो रेक्टेंगल से बनता है। दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द क्यूब एंड द क्यूबॉइड। okay, and this is again the sphere, and the last one is a cone, you know, that is a cone shape. Now we come to the page number 130. Take out page 130 children. These are the solid shapes, are all cuboids children. These solid shape, this is also cuboid, this is cuboid, and this is cuboid. These are some cuboids you will see around the books, you must have seen, the duster, the compass box you must have seen. Okay, see this one, it is a kind of a box or something like that, and the eraser. These are all cuboid shape. Okay, so here you have to color the cuboids. Which are the cuboids children? This is a matchbox, first one. Okay, the matchbox you will color the cuboid, any color you can use. This is cuboid. Then the second one, it's not a cuboid, this is a cuboid. This is the sphere, and of course this is not the cuboid. Okay, only one cuboid, two cuboids are there, the which I have tick mark. Please, only that one only you are going to color. You can use any color, whichever color you want. Okay children, yes. Now we come to number 1, just the exercise. Can you see the robot there in the book? Let us count and see how many shapes are there. Let us see, let us begin with the cylinder shape children. These are the cylinder one, the long one. Can you see? This is the cylinder one. ये cylinder shape है आपका. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, sorry, this is 10. Okay, this below, one more behind, that is 11, and this one here, it is that you can take it as 12. Okay, 12. So total 12 cylinders are there. Now 12 cylinders are there. Okay, now I'm removing this. Okay, with the eraser. See once again, because you have to start with the cube. Okay, I have to erase this. Now we'll find out the cubes. Only 2 cubes are there. This is 1, and this is another one. Sorry. Cube, please remember, cube is made up of square shapes. Okay children, this is another one, this is 2. Only 2 cubes are there. Okay, so we will write 2. Okay, now we will find out the sphere. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 eyes, one more eye is 4, 4, here one more eye is 5, here one more eye is 6, and here it is 7 children. Then this is 8. Okay, this is 9. Okay children, and there is one more which I am missing. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8. This is 9. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Face. The face of this you can take it as number 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5, 6, here 7, 8, 9, and one face of the robot. That will be counted as 10. That will be counted as 10. Now we come to cuboid. Cuboid. Yes, we have 9 cuboids children. Okay, let us find out. Shall I erase this? I am erasing this so that we can find out the cuboid. Sometime the children they skip the face. Always see to is the face. Okay, now we'll see the cuboid children. This is 1 cuboid, 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, then this is 4, 5, 6, 7 8 9 9 क्यूबॉइड्स है बेटा. सो 9. ठीक है. सी, आई एम वेटिंग. हाउ मेनी क्यूबॉइड्स आई हैव डन? जस्ट सी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The feet. Okay, the feet of the both the robots. That is a cuboid. Okay. Then we come to cones. This is one cone, this one, then 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 7. 7 cones are there. Okay, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ना ऐसा वाला कोन शेप, दिस इज द कोन शेप, दिस वन. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ वी कम टू द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज ऑन द पेज नंबर 131. ठीक है. ये कुछ नहीं बेटा, आप डाइस लीजिए, उसको पेपर पे रखो, उसका आउटलाइन बनाओ. जस्ट सी व्हाट आउटलाइन यू विल गेट. यू विल गेट द आउटलाइन ऑफ, लेट मी, हाँ, यू विल गेट द आउटलाइन ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ये आउटलाइन मिलेंगे आपको जब आउटलाइन करेंगे. आप इसको रख के ना इसके नीचे से आउटलाइन बनाओ. यू विल गेट द 4 कॉर्नर्स. ये 1 2 3 4 कॉर्नर्स एंड 4 साइड एज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू. देन आप ग्लास रखेंगे. नो, देन आई विल टेक क्यूबॉइड दिस साइड नाउ. इफ़ यू टेक द क्यूबॉइड, 1 मिनट. इफ़ यू कीप द कंपोस, और आप उसको पेपर में रख के नीचे में उसको ट्रेस आउट करो, नीचे आउटलाइन बनाओ नीचे के शेप का, तो आपको ये रेक्टेंगल शेप आएगा क्यूबॉइड में. बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू ना क्यूबॉइड इज़ मेड अप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. तो आप जब उसका आउटलाइन बनाएंगे तो आपको रेक्टेंगल ही मिलेगा. हाउ मेनी कॉर्नर्स? 1 2 3 4. 4 कॉर्नर्स चिल्ड्रन एंड 4 साइड्स, है ना. 1 2 3 4. ठीक है. देन विल कम टू द ग्लास. जब आप ग्लास का बनाएंगे, then you will keep the glass, okay, straight. उसका नीचे में आप जब उसको ग्लास को इन्वर्टेड करिए, डोंट टेक एनीथिंग इन द ग्लास, उल्टा रखो आप ऐसा करके. ठीक है. और उसका आउटलाइन बनाओ तो यू विल गेट द सर्कल. सो it has no corners, so 0 corners, no corners it has only one side, one curved side. This is called one curved side. ठीक है. Now we'll do the cheese, or you take the cake, you can solid shape of this, and उसका आप यहाँ से ये आउटलाइन, इसका आउटलाइन बनाओ, उसको रख के पेपर के ऊपर में. you will get the rectangle children. Yes, how many corners? 3 and 3 sides. ठीक है. So ring the blue shape that you will make, to make the red shape. आपके red shape में कुछ मिसिंग है यहाँ पे बेटा. ठीक है. आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ब्लू शेप. ये आपका कौन कौन सा शेप जाएगा जिससे आपका ये ब्लू वाला जो रेड वाला जो है ना ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. रिंग द ब्लू शेप्स दैट यू विल यूज़ टू मेक द रेड शेप्स. देखो ये वाला एक यहाँ पे मिसिंग है. देखो, सॉरी, सी, दिस इज़ मिसिंग. तो आपका ये एक मिसिंग हो गया. सो दिस इज़ 1 रेक्टेंगल. दिस इज़ अनदर 1 2. एक और मिसिंग हो गया बेटा, rectangle shape, and put the blue, ring the blue shapes that you will use to make the red shape. And when you see red shape means, see, if you want to complete the red shape in this way, in a complete way, in a rectangle form, you will see that you have to select the 2 shapes over here. Okay, now when you put this shape over here, if you want you can make the paper cutouts also. Okay, when you put it over here,
वो डिटेल में कमेंट. उसको टर्न अराउंड करेंगे ना.
So 1 minute children, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, I'll do it again. 1 minute, just hold on, let me zoom. 1 minute. Okay, हाँ. See children, now आपको 2 ऐसे शेप्स लेना है जिससे आपका ये शेप बनने वाला है. तो पहले तो इसको यहाँ पे देखो, ये आपका बन रहा है स्क्वायर शेप. तो ये एक मिल गया. जब आप ये लेंगे और उसके ऊपर में क्या है, रेक्टेंगल. जब आप इसके ऊपर में ऐसे बनाएंगे तो आपका ये शेप मैच हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स 1 minute. That means yes, 1 minute. There was some disturbance here, some noise was there, so I just came to other side bit. It took time for me. So these two, one and this shape will give you this shape, isn't it? So first like this and then like this. ठीक है? I hope now you must have understood, children. ठीक है? So there's an activity over here to create any design or the picture using the cutouts of the different shapes. You also count and name the shapes needed to create the design or the picture. So to create any design, अगर आपको कोई डिज़ाइन बनाना है या कोई पिक्चर बनाना है यूजिंग द काउट आउट ऑफ डिफरेंट शेप्स, ऑल्सो काउंट, आपको काउंट भी करना है, नेम द शेप्स ऑल्सो नीडेड टू क्रिएट द डिज़ाइन और द पिक्चर. दिस इज़ एन एक्टिविटी. So you can make any design, create, if you want to create, you can create any design, you make any picture but with the shapes. And after making that, और आपको ऐसा करना है which we have done here. Do you remember here? Like this, like how they made a robot. You can make any other picture, a house you can make, or you can make a boy or a girl, and then वो shape को count करना बेटा. ठीक है? That's all for today, children. Thank you so much, and please do complete both the pages I have explained you. That is the page number 129, 130 we have done, and 131 outline of the solid shapes we have made. Thank you, children.